Tire Technicians, Izzy here from Tech Tire and Wheel, and today we're here to talk about our revolutionary new rope rubber spool and spool mount. As you all know, there is a bit of an art to using a rubber extruder gun. We've all been there. You really get in the groove and then snap. All of a sudden, your rope breaks and you have to stop and reload your line, and it's so frustrating. Through painstaking hours of trial and error, our research and development team have found one of the major causes of a broken line is that the rope rubber gets caught on itself or on the edges of our old plastic bucket system when fed through the hole in the lid. But our new spool-fed rope rubber provides less resistance and more even line pull, resulting in greatly reduced rope breakage and an overall more user-friendly experience for technicians. You'll love how the rope rubber flows oh so smoothly off that spool and into my personal favorite tool, Tech's exclusive line of Salvadori extruder guns. Our easy-to-install mobile spool mount system includes a sturdy mount shield that protects the rope rubber from dirt and debris. Best of all, when you combine the spool mount with our tech-specified hand cart, you've got instant mobility. So when you're finished extruding, all you have to do is wheel the entire hand cart, spool mount, and spool back to cold storage. Guys, I'm not kidding. This is a real game changer. It's gonna save you time, improve efficiency, provide a much safer work environment, reduce waste, save money, and maybe even eliminate a few choice words. Who's ready to roll into action? To order your USA-built mobile spool mount system, contact your local tech distributor or visit techtirerepairs.com. Till next time, see you soon.